How to have multiple accounts on Monopoly Go. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So in order to have multiple accounts, you need to have multiple Facebook accounts as well. And you can just simply connect with different Facebook accounts and save the progress of your different Monopoly Go accounts with each Facebook account. But there is a process to do it. So when you want to switch from one account to another, simply open up the three lines at the top, then click on settings and click on manage account, and here you need to disconnect your Facebook first of all, and after that you need to remove the app data, and after that just simply open up the settings of your, and here open up the app settings and click on manage apps, then search for Monopoly Go and select it. Then you need to select the option of storage, then click on clear data, and after that clear up the data. And this way you would be able to remove all the information about you on Monopoly Go, and after that just simply log into Monopoly Go again, and this time connect your Monopoly Go with a different Facebook account, and as soon as you connect it you would be able to log in with all the progress that you have using that particular Facebook account. And this way you can switch over to multiple Monopoly Go accounts using different Facebook accounts. But make sure that you reconnect your Monopoly Go with the different Facebook accounts in order to open up the progress on that particular account. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.